There's subway entrance right here, the B, the Q, the R. DeKalb Avenue. And that's Long Island University, where I attended when I was out of high school as a teenager. Graduated when I was 22 years old. And that over there is the library, the Selena Learning Center. That's the humanities buildings over there, where you learn all the stuff like English, philosophy, and over there that's the science building, chemistry, biology, where all the labs are. This over here is clean. What's coming over here? Oh, this is a tower. Brooklyn Tower. Notice how clean the sidewalk is here. Look at these cars, how they parked.
There's no reason for all that.
No, there wasn't.
No reason to buy up such a grocery.
That is a bigger issue.
It's literally most multipliers.
Over here is Junior's Cheesecake. Sometimes you see the cheesecake in the window. Right there. There's cheesecake. Right there. You see a few cheesecake right there. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's cheesecake right there.
Well, that was Snowstorm at the house. You could probably take it. That's probably
doing a lot of construction around here. at all the snow. I wonder if I can walk here. Oh. Yeah, on this side you can walk. Oh, there's a Citizens Bank here. A TD Bank. There's a guitar center. Guitar. I didn't know that. This is a new building. Let's put that building on. Oh. Yeah, my mom's over there now. All loose snow here. So this is downtown Brooklyn, and this is the shopping center area. This is Fulton Street. They renamed it Fulton Mall. So you got the major buses pass through here. There's a train station at Boyd Street, 2 blocks up. The number 2 and the 3 train stop here. And behind me, the number 4 and the 5 train, the 2 and the 3 stop at Nevin Street.